Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Earlier we made a styrofoam and thermocol cutter which is working perfectly fine. All type of thermocol can be cut using this tool. But hard styrofoam which comes with heavier equipments like Xerox machine, vehicle engine parts are taking time to cut using this tool. So I upgraded the same tool so that hard styrofoam can also be cut using this. We are adding one more battery and serially connecting to existing battery to form 8.4 volt so that the power will be high. We will be using a slide switch to switch between 4.2 volt and 8.4 volt. The complete wiring diagram is shown at the end of this video. When you look at it, you can understand that upgrading is so simple to implement. In the wiring diagram, I have shown existing implementation and upgraded implementation so that you can understand what changes need to be done. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is the circuit diagram of the existing implementation. We are upgrading this one with one more charging module, a battery and a slide switch. This is the complete wiring diagram of the upgraded version. You can charge the battery by giving power to any charging module. I do not have a hard styrofoam with me now, so I am testing this with 6 mm multiwood. Multiwood is 70% harder than hard styrofoam, so for testing this is enough. If you like this video, please click like button. If you have any suggestions on this, please comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.